How are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe at home. Children, in the previous video I have posted you some grammar, that also positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, and I have given you as a homework. Can you see that? Yes, I have given these 10 words as a homework, and I asked you to just complete. Did you complete it? If you did not, just see once I'll explain. Big, bigger, biggest. Second word, brave, braver, bravest. Third, bad, worst, worst. Here SC is there, but still on the pronunciation will be worst. Next, bitter, 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 betterest. Black, blacker, blackest. Bland, blander, blandest. Bloody, bloodier, bloodiest. See here, bloodier, bloodiest here. Next, blue, bluer, bluest. Here, see here, blue only one ER we have written. Actually, we will get two E's because here already in blue we are having one E, and when we are using ER, we have to add one more E, but here we have used only one E. Remember this, okay? Next, bold, bolder, boldest. Blossom, blossier, blossier. EIER. Here IEST. Is it? Okay. Is it clear? If anybody did not follow, just write in your rough book. After starting the classes, I may ask you all these words. Just pair this in your notebooks, rough books. Okay. Okay, children. In the previous video, I had given you as a homework third and fourth question and answers. Is it? Now, I am explaining fifth question. How was the moon? Just a minute. Did I explain this? No, I have explained fifth question also. Now, sixth question. See. Why did the sadhu ask jackal to take him for his meals? Would you say the same if you were in his place? Means, why did the sadhu ask jackal him to take the meals? And if you are in that place, what will you do? If you are in that place, what will you do? Sadhu will ask because sadhu is the moon and he is the power of God. He is the power of God. That's why he had asked. If we are in that position to save all the animals, we may also ask same thing. Take me as a meals, because the theme is that we have to save all the animals. That's why we may also, if we are in that place, we may also ask same, no? Okay, let us go for answer. The jackal come to the house for the hens to take a few of them for his supper. Supper means meals. Who take a jackal? Who taken? Jackal. Jackal came to the house for the hens to take a few of them for his supper. On seeing this, the sadhu requested the jackal to take him for his meals and leave the hens. When jackal is starting to eat all the when jackal is eating the hens, for eating all the animals only jackal divided all the animals individually. Is it? Yes. For eating only jackal divided, and jackal started to eat small animals, hens, rats, all these small animals jackal started to eat. Like that only one day jackal started to eat and as his meals. What he started to eat? Few of the hens. On seeing this, by seeing all that, who asked the sadhu requested? Who requested here? Sadhu requested the jackal to take him as meals. By seeing all this, sadhu requested jackal, don't eat that hens. Eat me as your food. Leave that hens. Who asked all these words? Sadhu. To whom sadhu asked? To the jungle. It shows the greatness of scarcity for others. Yes, I would do the same if I were in his place. Yes, because if we are in the place of sadhu, we too wanted to save all the animals. That is care. It means taking care of all the animals. Scarefitting, taking care of all the animals. We too will do same because we too wanted to take care of all the animals. No. Yes, like that only. If we are in the place also, we will do the same as just how I told. The same way, same way the answer also. Next, seventh question. What did the sadhu teach the animals in the forest? The sadhu taught the animals to live in a peace and horror. Peace and horror means here to live together, to live happily, to enjoy the life. Horror means to be friendly with everyone. Like this, all the meaning we may get. Is it? Next, he wanted them to be break down the functions which they have builded. Sadhu wanted to be all to be equal, all to be friends, all to be happily without any differences. Sadhu wanted to leave all the animals, and Sadhu thought for all the animals the same thing also. And Sadhu wanted all the functions should be removed, and they have to be together, and they have to be together. Finally, Sadhu have taught the lesson for all the animals. And today's your home task is 6 and 7 question and answers, and I have given you as a homework some words now, and I have shown you that also. Is your doubts clarified? If you are having any doubts, you just WhatsApp to my number. If you are having any doubts, or call to my number, and I'll give some more words as a homework. As before only, again I am giving 10 words for you. Again you have to change these 10 words into positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. And let us go for that words. First word, brave, brief, bright, busy, calm, cheap. Here CHEWY, cheap, chubby, classy, clean. All these 10 words again you have to change. Again you have to change into positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. And remember one thing, word will be changed when it is the word is different. The word will be changed. Remember this thing, okay? And children, complete this as a homework and write all this in one notebook. After starting the classes, I may ask all these words. Okay. Okay, children, be safe at home. If you are having any doubts, you just call to my personal number or WhatsApp in my personal number and clear your doubts. Okay, children, bye. Be safe at home, children.